Good morning, Klaus. Welcome to the Munich Edelmetallmesse, the precious metal fair here in Munich. Every year we present mining companies. This year also Burey Gold, our top performer for the last 12 months. Burey Gold made more than 300% performance. And Klaus, tell me about what was the reason, why could you be so successful with exploring the Shiro project in the DRC?
Well, the project is located in one of the best gold belts in the world. It has a world-class mine close to it, and the geological setting is one of the best in the world to find gold deposits fairly quickly, and also with very little, what do you want to call it, risk associated with the geology.
Good, but as we all know, Klaus had been extremely successful with motor gold mines some 10 years ago, when we have started exploring another gold asset in the DRC, which has been bought out by Rheingold. So Klaus, do you think you can duplicate such a kind of a strategy, and when can we expect the first resource in Burey Gold?
It's probably a bit early to say that it's going to be the same size as Kibali, but it has the hallmarks, it has a geology. We have been very quick to delineate resources there. The first maiden resource will be out end of January, just before Indaba.
What makes you so confident that you can deliver a substantial resource?
If you look at the drilling results, they're quite substantial. They start at the surface, go down to 200 meters. It's 1.2 kilometers long at the moment, the area of mineralization, and it's fairly consistent, and we run some in-house models on it, so we're pretty confident that around the 2.5 million ounces will certainly possible.
Oh, that would be already very substantial. What makes you so confident that you can continue working successful in the DRC? I mean, during the last 10 years, or you have been maybe there already 20 years, has the political situation been stabilized? How is the infrastructure going on, the development? Is that getting better? Do you feel more comfortable now in the DRC?
Well, from an infrastructure point of view, it certainly has improved 1,000%. I mean, you got a world-class mine close to it, so you actually can drive on a major highway to the site. Before there was nothing there. On working in the DRC and developing assets, I just compare it to other countries. It's very easy, it's quick, and you can deliver the projects way above time, ahead of time, as in other countries.
And as we know, grade is king. Obviously the grades are higher in Africa, so we hope that Burey Gold can deliver another good year of drill results and the first maiden resource, and maybe Klaus will be again the winner of the AXINO Aktienspiegel. But the last question, Klaus, you raised a lot of money obviously, so is that enough to go further with additional drilling during the next 12 months?
We have around 8 million in the bank. There's another 50 million options to be exercised in December at around 5 cents. So that will bring in another 2.5 million. And then in June next year, there's 450 million options expiring, also at 5 cents, brings in another 22.5 million. That's certainly subject to that the share price continues to stay at around 7 or 8 cents, but we're fairly confident that it will be.
So it looks like we have an exploration company with a lot of upside, good drill results, but also enough cash to continue with the aggressive drill plans. Thanks a lot, and I wish you good luck for the next 12 months.
Thank you very much.